Welcome to my channel. My stationary cutting board is completely worn out on both sides, so it's time to make a new one. I start by making a simple drawing to remember the dimensions of the new cutting board. The material I will use is a shelf made of laminated oak. First, I cut the shelf to a width of 27.3 centimeters. I continue by cutting the length of the cutting board, which is 54.7 centimeters. After that, I continue with the part at the front of the cutting board. I cut a piece of the shelf so that it is 1.8 centimeters wide. Then I cut the piece to the same length as the width of the cutting board, that is 27.3 centimeters. Finally, I cut a piece that is 0.9 centimeters thick and 19 centimeters long. This piece will act as a stop when I slide the cutting board in. Time to mill the grooves in the front of the cutting board. I use a router bit that is 9 millimeters wide and mill a groove on both the top and bottom of the front piece. Now it's time to put the three pieces together. I start by gluing the front piece to the cutting board. Then I glue the stop piece on the opposite side. After sanding the cutting board with 320 grits, I'll oil it with food-grade paraffin oil and let the oil soak into the wood for a few hours. After wiping off the excess paraffin oil, I apply a layer of beeswax. This is what the new cutting board looks like when it's finished.